You love cock, right? Of
Yeah.
course. How do you like them? Big or small?
Big.
Big?
Yes.
All right. Well, I got a big cock for you.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Yeah. But it's not mine though. It's James.
Ooh.
Yeah. You want me to bring him in?
Mm-hmm.
All right. James.
Look.
What's up everybody, it's your homeboy Jay's back at it again with another vlog, guys. And guys, today is a beautiful day here in Hawaii. It's fucking sunny and it's fucking hot right now, guys. So I figured might as well take you guys along with me rather than staying home inside quarantine, being boring as fuck. Guys, let's go to fucking Sandy's, one of the best spots to surf shore break waves here in Hawaii, guys. So it's gonna take me about 30 minutes to get there, guys. So sit back, relax, enjoy the fucking ride, guys, and let's go to fucking Sandy. Let's go, guys.
We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home? We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky.
Fucking pumping today, guys. Right now I'm here at Sandy's. Check this shit out, guys. You guys can see that. So I'm gonna get some fins. I'm gonna head on out, guys. Trust me, fins. Here we go, guys. Let's go. Sandy's, here we come, guys.